remember back when we were schooling, we used to wait for our school buses? Nah, I was never on time. Postmaster, ladies and gentlemen. Back when I was schooling, I had to come down to the main road to catch my school bus. And I had a habit of running down the whole length with my dog barking out loud 6 a.m. in the morning. And not to mention my school bus honking, beep, beep. And my mother always followed me behind, waving my lunchbox or my water bottle in the air. What a scene, right? I know. So I was enjoying this recklessness up until 2017. But somewhere in 2017 July, I got a call from my father asking me to come to the hospital. Never in a million years I thought that call would change my life. Your mother had had a stroke, so we need run some tests and pass it again operation. Just like that, everything changed. For 4 days, I didn't have the guts to go and visit my mother through a dose which said intensive care unit. On the 5th day, I gathered up the bits and pieces of courage that is left in me and draped in all the precautionary gear. I remember walking past God's doors while the machine screamed in the background, beep, beep. It took me a minute to identify my mother. She had tubes running in and out of her with her hair grown, with machines attached. I was frozen. And in the next minute, I ran out of the ICU unit. On the 6th day, she came home in a casket. My mother's death affected me in ways that I'm still comprehending. I was in shock to digest anything that is happening around me. The funeral, the cemetery, the people, it all passed in a blur. And I refused to believe that this was happening. This was really happening to me. And I refused to believe this grief that is embracing me. It was only later that I realized that was not the way to go. Life doesn't always wait for you like my school bus. Sometimes it leaves you by the platform, like a Sunday train from Gaul to Colombo. But the thing is, you cannot predict it, nor can you hide from it. If there's anything that I've learned so far in my life, that is, whenever life throws a punch at you, you have to acknowledge the fact that you have been hit hard, and then only you can fight back. You might have failed an exam, got cheated on, missed an interview because you are not punctual. But the thing is, unless you acknowledge the fact that you were not punctual, that you were not capable, you would never succeed. As long as I did not acknowledge the fact that I was not punctual, I didn't do anything to be on time. As long as I did not acknowledge my mother's death, I couldn't move on. So before anything, let's learn to embrace our failures, and that is the first step in success. So now, I wait by the platform every Sunday to catch the train from Gaul to Colombo. And every Sunday, I look behind me, hoping I will see a lady waving a water bottle. But I never do. Oh dear.